everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another installment of 31 days of Halloween, and today's look is Mr. Smee from Peter Pan. So if you guys want to see more of my Halloween looks coming all throughout this month and probably next month, because Halloween never ends here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the little bell so that you guys know when I am posting videos, because I am posting all the time this month. This month is all about transformation and looks, so let's get into this look. So to start off this look, we're going to start with the eyes, since it is such a colorful makeup and there is some glitter involved. I'm going to start with the NYX white primer. This is in white. I think this is just the color base in white. So I'm just taking a fluffy brush and I'm going to apply this on the eyelids quite liberally. So if you're not aware of who Mr. Smee is from Peter Pan. He is Captain Hook's first mate on their pirate ship in Neverland. He is basically the go-to guy when Captain Hook sends out an order. He's also this just like really cute, kind of clumsy character. He is always getting into trouble with Captain Hook and trying to save him, especially from TikTok, the alligator I think he's a crocodile, the crocodile who caused Captain Hook to even have a hook in the first place. So that is where he comes from, and that's who he is. So, but Smee is one of the first characters I ever met in Disney World, and he's also just one of my favorites because he is quite cute, and it's a really simple look that you can do a lot with. So today, instead of going for a really simple subdued look, I wanted to do something really glam and fun. So we are going to do a glittery cut crease. So for the crease, I'm going to be going in with a color that actually matches my shirt and nails. This is Home Sweet Home from Sugar Pill. It's a really light blue. And I'm going in with the Morphe M526 brush. This is just a really small crease brush. This small crease brush will actually help with a lot of the detail work, and with a color like this and the kind of look I'm going for, I want everything to be nice and smooth and easy. So we're going to start with this. Just going over the color multiple times to build it up and give it a really striking blue. The other colors we're going to use are very soft as well, but I want this to be nice and bright so you can see it and you can tell that it is actually blue and not another color. Using what's left on this brush, I'm just using it to blend out the edges and make sure they're nice and soft, because really the focal point of this crease is going to be the glitter, but I want the base color that glitter is going to rest on to be nice and pretty and perfectly laid out. Taking a pale pink shadow, this is Cookie Cutter from NYX. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and put this underneath the brow bone, and this will also help blend out that blue. Before we go ahead any further, I am going to do the brows since we have the highlight done. I'm actually going to go in with the NYX pencil in Milk, and we're going to fill in our brows this way. I'm going to take a little bit of a angled brush and kind of load the product onto it and then fill them in this way. This is actually super nice because you can really shape the brow to how you want, because this stuff is so thick and kind of gluey. Also, I did my nails for this look. I put some stripes on them, and I have the crocodiles and the hands of the clock for TikTok, and then just a blue that I thought went nicely with this. All of the details about my nails and what colors I use to make them will be down below. I will also link the products I used, like the nail glue and the actual nails. These nails are actually really strong and great. They're nice and flexible so they don't break, and the glue I used was super cheap and is super strong. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you check out the description box. But let's get started. And cut this crease, I am taking a glitter called Splash. It is a very small fine grain glitter, and I'm going to use the Too Faced glitter glue, and we're just gonna define this crease, and then we will cut it after with some concealer. There's no real way to blend glitter once you have it on the glue, so I just kind of press it into my crease so that the line of the glitter will just kind of disappear in when I open my eyes. I'm going to take a bit of my concealer and pop this on the eyelids to give us a nice clean cut crease. Shadow on the lid, I'm just going to use Cookie Cutter, again the same color we used on the brow highlight, so just a soft pink. And again, I'm just packing this on top of that concealer so we keep our nice cut crease. On top of that eyeshadow, I want to add a little pop of sparkle, so I'm going in with Juicy Apple from ColourPop. This is one of their Hello Kitty shadows from a while ago, but any sort of sparkly gold will do. And I'm just putting this on a MAC brush. This is a 217. I'm just gonna pack this onto the lid, just so there's a little bit of dimension and a little bit of a different shade of sparkle. For eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with this Glide gel eyeliner from LA Girl, and this is in their kind of cobalt blue color, and I'm just gonna line the lash line. Not winging it out. I think this looks better without the wing. It's still really glam and different for the kind of look we're going for, but it does add just another pop of color. And for the mascara, I'm going in with the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. I am just going to start by color correcting a bit under my eyes with a little bit of peach concealer from LA Girl. This is the light peach color. And this is just going to cancel out any sort of dark circles. I want to look fairly cartoony, so I want everything to be big and bright. For primer, I'm going in with the NYX Pore Filler Primer. And I'm just going to put this kind of all over my face. Foundation, I really wanted to mimic Mr. Smee's pinky skin tone, so I am using this Rimmel London Stay Matte in color 091 Light Ivory. And this is just a mousse foundation, so it's going to be really lightweight but give us a nice coverage. I'm just going to go in with that concealer we used before, the Makeup Revolution, and I'm just putting a tiny bit on the under eye area. I'm not even going to draw the triangle. I just want to give it enough to blend out any dark circles I may have left. So now we have the complexion mostly done. I'm going to go back to the eyes for a quick second with the Milk Pencil from NYX, and I am just going to put some of this in my lower lash line, just to give our eyes this really big cartoony look. One of the most important parts of Mr. Smee is his little red nose and his red cheeks. So I'm going to go in with Cheerio from ColourPop. It's a nice dark, deep red blush that can kind of mimic that redness of the skin, kind of like a sunburn type look. So I'm taking an e.l.f. stippling brush, and we're just gonna pop this on the end of the nose so that it looks kind of red, and then I'm gonna tap it out with my finger just so it blends in with our foundation. And for the cheeks, we're gonna do the same thing. So now that we are done with the face, I just want to add a little bit of something to the lips to kind of incorporate it. This is a Revlon lip butter in Peach Parfait, and Mr. Smee really doesn't have lips, so you can go with a red lip if you really want to amp it up. You can do a nude lip, you can block out your lips, it's up to you, but I'm just going to do something peachy and feminine to give it a little bit of that gender bend twist. So now that we are done with the makeup look for this, I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I think it's adorable with these curls in this wig and the hat and everything. I think it just came together so beautifully. It looks so cute. So now that we are done with this whole look, let's get into the costume portion. So hopefully you guys can hear me okay and see this look okay, and you get a little glimpse into what my studio space is like. For this look, I got this hat off of Amazon. It was like $4.19. I actually got it for cheaper because I have honey. If you guys don't know what honey is, I will leave a link down in the description below. They are not sponsoring this video. They have no idea who I am, but I do use their service and it has been super helpful to me. So I want to let you guys in on it and let you know how to save some money. But beyond that, I also got this shirt on Amazon. No, the stain did not come with it. It's just water because I got soap on my shirt while I was filming this. But this shirt is just an extra large men's shirt, and it's just short sleeves, so it matches the Smee look perfectly. Actually, if you search blue and white striped t-shirt, it'll come right up and it'll suggest the hat and some glasses as well if you want glasses. The wig, I will turn and show you guys, is very, very long. It is also from Amazon, and I believe it was like $20. It was anywhere between $15 and $20. And then the shorts I have on are just these mid-rise shorts. These are from Old Navy. These are actually just like my normal everyday shorts. So hopefully you guys can see. They just kind of roll at the bottom. You can always do like capri pants if you want. But I am just barefoot for this look. You could do boat shoes. Brown sandals is what Smee wears. It's really up to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this installment of 31 Days of Halloween. There is much more that has come along this month and much more coming up on my channel. So again, make sure you subscribe and hit the little bell so you know whenever I post. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.